Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oleg Ilyin, and I am a master student in investment and finance at Queen Mary University of London. Previously, I graduated with honor degree in finance from Belarusian State Economic University and worked for 3 years in financial industry in Belarus. I was always interested in finance, and while I studied at the university, I took part in plenty of conferences and forums on economic problems and made more than 40 publications on financial issues. Currently, I am developing my own startup, which is about lending short-term loans. Each of us has difficult situations in life, and sometimes we are forced to borrow money from financial institutions such as banks or payday loan companies. However, quite often such companies charge so high interest rates that people can get actually in lending hole. In this case, such loans do not solve temporary financial problems, but on the contrary, ruin people's lives. I start thinking why it happens and how this problem can be settled down. My analysis has shown that extremely high interest rates which payday loan company charge is mostly determined by the statistics. It means that these companies have to charge high interest rates because they need to cover all future possible defaults. And I look for a solution how to reduce significantly high interest rates and at the same time to conserve a primary feature of such loans, which is quickness. So without an asset by which these loans can be secured. This is professional reputation in social media and primarily on social professional network LinkedIn. We assume that each of LinkedIn holders has his own cost of reputation, which is determined by a number of factors such as networking, number of friends, recommendations from colleagues and employees, lifetime of profile, education, background, experience, and so on. Based on all these factors, we try to build an algorithm which allows us to define cost of reputation and to define a low rate of money which this person will definitely return because in other case he loses his cost of reputation. For example, if our client will not pay back a loan, we send messages to all his friends that this person loses reputation and he is in default. People will stop trusting him, and it means that this person is not reliable. And to recover this cost of reputation will cost him much more than the size of loan. Existing companies which are located in the UK here or in the United States use usual scoring system and do not utilize any pledge. As we utilize pledge, we can expect to borrow money cheaper and lend them cheaper as well. This is our main advantage, and we expect that we can attract the audience quite easy. So the first stage of developing our company is to set up a company in the United Kingdom. Here we're going to test our system, our algorithms, and later on to expand globally. So the second stage is to occupy the United States, Western European and Australian markets. So I firmly believe that GudWheel will contribute to changing the world payday loan market, and I consider our idea is really disruptive and revolutionizing because, first, nobody has ever tried to lend money secured only by professional reputation in social media. Second, GudWheel can lend money cheaper and do not push people in lending hole anymore. And third, because it is based on social media network, it can grow fast and expand globally within a short period of time. So thank you very much for your attention and appreciate your time.